Welcome to Awesome Code. Please subscribe to my channel and like my video. In this video, we are going to write a simple Python code which will check if the selected port is open or closed. So we are going to prompt the user for an IP address and a port. So let's see. We're going to import socket. And then prompt the user to enter the IP. Please enter the IP. Same we are going to do for port. And this time we are just going to use the input function. Enter the port. Now we are going to create a socket. Just undo that. We can create a socket by using socket function. So we are gonna do socket. This will be our socket. And pass in socket if inet socket dot sock stream. And now we are going to connect to the IP and the port, and we are going to use sockets connect underscore ex method. It will return us if the connection succeed. Connect underscore ex will return the value 0, and we want to check with the if condition. So if it do here, we're gonna check if as the sock dot connect ex. If it's true, then if it returns like 1, so that means it's closed. So if it returns 0, it's the port is open. So we are just going to pass in IP and port to this function. And now we are gonna do print. And we're gonna do port. Port is closed. Just do port. Else we are going to print port is open. Is open. Let's see here. Port and is open. we're just going to save. We're just going to change this to input. It's not supported anymore, the raw one. So it's like, and we need to convert this one into an integer support number. Just gonna wrap around int function so we get that int value. Now to test the open port on our local IP address, I will first look up the IP address of my system, the local IP. We can do that by using this command IP address. And for the it, this is my interface, so I'm just going to copy this one. And over here, I'm going to start a HTTP server so we can look up if its port is open. We're going to do python and HTTP server, and we can see it started at port 8000. So now we can go back over here and run our Python code. And if you're asking for the IP, we just need to paste the IP address of our system. And then it's asking for the port that we want to check if it's open. So it's 8000. Our Python server is running on that. So hit enter, and we get the port 8000 is open. So let's try some of the port. It might not be open. Let's do paste this 8081, and it shows 8081 is closed. So this is a very simple Python program to check if the port is open or closed. To keep on learning, please subscribe to my channel Asim Code, like my video, keep supporting me, and thank you for watching.